Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. With mowing season officially kicking off, you're going to be out there mowing your yard on a regular basis. There's a couple of tips, a couple of things you need to remember, always keep in mind. Number one is the maintenance of your mower. Make sure you change your oil at least once a year. If you've got just a regular residential yard, that should be plenty. Twice would be great. Make sure you're using a good high quality fuel. Make sure you're changing your mower blade on a regular basis. All right, so that's some of the maintenance stuff. Wash your deck off, keep the bottom from rusting out. A big one is make sure when you're mowing your yard, do not mow your yard the same direction every single week. What this does is this forms tracking, even with a small push mower. All right, think about the edges of your fence if you've got a dog, especially if you've got a dog that likes to chase other dogs against other fence. But you ever notice how there's always a path around the edge of a fence? It's where the dog has gone the same way over and over and over. You'll do the same thing with your mower, especially if you're mowing every week like you're supposed to. It's called tracking. You just form little divots in your yard. So change up your pattern of your mowing, zigzag, crisscross, whatever. Just mow different directions each week. When you're weed eating, make sure that you don't weed eat too low, cause a haloing effect or expose the roots. When you're blowing, be kind. Don't blow all your debris out into the yard, out into the street, or out into the sewers or the drainage system. So anyway, hope this helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Look forward to hearing from you.